Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the environment sleep-friendly. Dim lights and set an alarm for 20-30 minutes so you don't oversleep. Once done, lower the room to around 60-75 degrees and remove screens. This reduces stimulation and helps your body prep. You've already cut caffeine earlier, so now lie down with a light blanket and neck support. Begin with a short breathing focus for 1 to 2 minutes to shift attention inward. This first step calms your nervous system and triggers drowsiness. Once you're settled, deepen relaxation with a breathing pattern like 4-7-8 or long, slow exhales. This lowers heart rate and shifts you towards sleep. Next, do progressive muscle relaxation. Tense each major group for 5 seconds, then release, moving from your head down to your toes to discharge physical tension. If your mind races, visualize a simple calming scene, and if intrusive thoughts appear, label them briefly, worry. Plan, then gently return to breathe or image. When the alarm goes off, wake gently and expose your eyes to bright light within 1 to 2 minutes to reset your circadian cue and prevent grogginess. Make sure to sit up slowly, drink water, and do 2 to 3 minutes of light movement to fully reorient your body. If you didn't fall asleep within 15-20 minutes, don't force it. Get up and do a low-stimulation activity, like reading in dim light for 10-15 minutes. Then try the procedure again. This prevents anxiety and conditions sleep behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.